I bought this because I said it looked like a clown dress. That's why I bought it. Hey guys, it's Joanna Spicer. Welcome back to HISSYFIT. Yes, I am in a different location because I have just recently moved into a new apartment. I moved from a studio into a one-bedroom apartment, so with that comes some adjusting. You know, with a studio I had a much bigger closet, and now in a one-bedroom I have a much smaller closet and not really enough storage space for my clothes. Next on my list of to-dos for preparing my new apartment, I am going to be going through my closet, and I need to get rid of a lot of stuff, and I mean a lot. Because I just don't simply have the room, and I really don't wear everything in my closet. I mean, who does? I'm somebody that really loves to get rid of and throw out things, but when it comes to my clothes and shoes and like makeup and skincare products, I think more identify as a hoarder. But I really love the minimalist look and feel. It just makes you feel lighter and just more organized. So I'm going to be using the boutique method in cleaning out my closet. And what that is you basically go through your closet and you imagine that you're at a boutique and you hold up a piece and you ask yourself, if I was at a store, would I buy this? And obviously if the answer is yes, then you keep it. And if the answer is no, then you put it in the donation pile. I know I have a ton of stuff in there that I wouldn't purchase again. And I just need a good reason to get my shit together. And that's why I'm bringing you guys with me. I need the moral support. So before I get started, make sure you're subscribed to HISSYFIT if you're not already subscribed, because I'm here every single week and I'm joined by so many other cool, lovely ladies, and you don't want to miss out. Okay, let's go check out my closet. Okay, so we're in my bedroom now. It's very empty. I haven't had a bedroom in years, so I don't really have any bedroom furniture. So that's why it's just white. It's like hospital walls. I need to fix this. But first things first, we gotta go into the closet. Okay, like I said, not enough room. Okay, so let's just get started. I have a thrift store problem. I constantly go to thrift stores and I buy men's old t-shirts, and then that becomes like my uniform. Don't get me wrong, I love them, but like, do I really need like 50 of them? I don't think so. I think I wore this once when I went to VidCon, and I just so happened to look exactly like the security guards that were there. So I never wore it again, and I probably never will. So we can get rid of that. Bad memories. Okay, this I'm actually really embarrassed about. This is a Def Leppard shirt. Would be cool if it was actually vintage, but I actually got it from Forever 21. I won't lie to you. This is a made to look vintage band tee, and to be honest, I don't even listen to Def Leppard, so why don't we just put that in the donation pile? This is a shirt that I once really loved. However, it has since shrunk like 4 sizes too small, yet I won't get rid of it because I used to love it. What kind of logic is that? This is a belly shirt now. My beloved Sturgis shirt. I will not get rid of that. My cat just went in my closet. What are you doing? I will never get rid of this, okay? I wore this probably every other day for an entire summer, and it's still one of my favorite shirts. People come up to me all the time, and when I wear it, and they ask me if I've been to Sturgis. Apparently it's like this big motorcycle convention. No, I've never been there. I just like the shirt. It's like perfectly broken in. It fits me exactly how a vintage t-shirt should. So if this was in a boutique, would I buy it? Hell yes. Which brings me to my Ozfest shirt. This looks exactly like my Sturgis shirt, which is exactly why I bought it. There is a hole in the armpit, but I think it keeps the air flowing, you know? I'm thinking about cutting a hole in the other one, just because. Another shirt that I love and then ruined in the wash is my beloved Urban Outfitters striped button-up. I'm still not over this one yet. This is still a fresh wound. I accidentally put this in the dryer and it shrunk, and it's so wrinkled and small. I don't know what to do with it. I feel bad even donating this. I mean, look at the collar. I don't have an iron. This one's interesting. This is an American Apparel RIP shirt that I can never figure out how it goes. So it is a crop top and the loops go through these holes, and then you wrap it around, and you're supposed to look really cute in it. I've never worn it. I've never been able to figure it out. I have a really hard time getting rid of this because I don't know. Okay, fine, I'll get rid of it. I'll get rid of it. Who, is this a child's shirt? What was I doing buying this? This is a small, size small. Oh, those were the days. Crop top. It's a sports bra. It's a sports bra, but it's supposed to be short. This is like very like Jennifer Lopez in the I'm Glad music video, which is like a ripoff from the Flashdance, which is honestly like my dream. I'll keep that just for my dreams. Not reality. Wow, okay, I was really into crop tops for a while, so we can just go ahead and donate all of these because I don't see myself wearing a crop top anytime soon, especially since all I wear is men's t-shirts. Okay, I don't wear this shirt. I've worn it like 3 times, but it's my beloved Kimoji shirt. You know I love Kim Kardashian, okay? I can't get rid of this. Also, like, you know, it costs a lot of money and the shipping is like half the cost. So just as principle alone, like I have to keep it for at least another year. Okay, this is an interesting dress that I got from Anthropologie. I bought this because I said it looked like a clown dress. That's why I bought it. Donate. Okay, I've probably worn these like twice. I think they're really cool. A couple people say that they look like Guy Fieri shoes. Also, I was just recently in the store shopping with my brother and he picked up this shoe and made fun of it and was like, haha. And I was like, I own those. So I think it's time to... Okay, so we made some major headway. I've cleared out so much space and I cannot wait to just fill it up again and do this again in another 6 months. But I'm so glad you guys were here to hold me accountable because I don't think I would have done this. I don't think I would have admitted to myself all of the things I'm never gonna wear again, or that will never fit me again, or that will maybe never be back in style. Fingers crossed that crop tops are gone for good. But now I must go donate these clothes to someone who needs them way more than I do, and then I'm going to reward myself by doing like 30 face masks. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you would try the boutique method for your closet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you next week.